the standings, the statistics rather. Well, Mosey, what do you think? Medyo dikit naman sa attacks at saka sa blocks.
Yes, it's just so happen na itong Air Force, mas marami lang arsenal ng konti. Bahagyang-bahagya again, 11 attacks galing dito sa FEU at ang Air Force with 15 of their own. Okay naman, kaya lang, again, lumabas yung pagkabata ng FEU, lumabas ang pagkabeterano naman ng kabilang koponan ng Air Force, and yung mga bonuses na nanggagaling sa Air Force tulad ng tatlong aces, yan ang malaki. Malaki para sa Air Force yan. But then again, itong si Coach Shaq, nakita natin ang importante sa kanya was the reception. All throughout
Always,
nung set na yun, nire-remind niya yung reception kasi dun sila lalamang. Pag maganda reception nila, sigurado makaka-create sila ng plays at least makaka-attempt against the Philippine Air Force.
I never knew that side of Shaq because, you know, when he was coaching UST, he was kind of cool, di ba? And then ngayon, medyo may mga drop na siyang, ako kulit din nyo.
Alam mo, yun
Diba,
na, no?
no?
Again, learning, di ba? Alam mo na
learning.
there's a sense of urgency
May
for
teaching,
these people,
may teaching,
for these athletes to learn kasi meron goal may end goal. So, meron kang programa niya na by the time pumasok ka dun sa talagang tournament, let's say the UAAP, prepara ka na.
And I think it was a good decision, as Palma's course, for them to participate. Not all our UAAP schools participated in the Open Conference because I'm sure they're starting to prepare for the college season. Although we have some of the players, maganda yung decision na they felt they needed this tournament para ma-season sila. And what better way than against some very good teams. Tabla po tayo. Eto, Mosey ng Perset, maganda ang arangkada ng FEU. Hindi lang na-sustain dahil nga sabi mo, some inexperience and some of the talent, lalo na ni Joy Casas, came out in that first set.
And so far, Basas now with 5 points, si Palma with 2, sa kabila Caballero with 7, Ortiz and Manzano 3 apiece.
And they deserve mojos from Shakey's. For fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Mojos lang.
Alam mo yan ang
Like my
interesting
Caesar
alternative. Di ba
dressing.
interesting alternative siya sa French fries pagka nasawa ka sa French fries. O mojos ka. 3-1. May mga, hindi ito rap against Shakey's. Sa sarap niya, kung minsan may mga stars na uubos na lem, pag dumating ka naman ng napaka-late, talaga naman mauubos na. Si Mana, oh no, she didn't get to it. Huli si Manzano.
Basang-basa doon na kay Manzano pa rin ibibigay. And again, these are the learnings na gusto ni Coach Shaq makita dito sa FEU squad. Pinantayan nila si Manzano, hindi sila nag-let up. Di ba?
Para they get used to good habits. I like the fact that si Mana is going to Manzano despite the fact that Manzano can't get really going. Kasi she's trying to build the confidence of her front line.
Diyan mo makikita yung mga veterano paano maglaro. Binubuhay niya si Manzano. Gusto niya, yung makuha niya yung game niya.
That's right.
Habang maaga pa.
Si Manzano to pagka she's down pat, kahit na yung team na pinaglalaroan niya dati didn't go too far in the tournament, she's quite a scorer. In the meantime, that will not work and FEU is ahead 5-2. Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down.
Yan yung quickness na sinasabi ni Coach Shaq na gusto niya coming from yung mga girls niya. Tulad doon, nasa harap. Power tip kagad and they get the point.
Atienza. Ingay. Lumabas lang
Si Coach Shaq. Ito mo kakilala niya si Micah Ortiz. Hindi pa puporma sa set pa lang. Running. Sumisigaw na siya.
Alam.
Ako nagturo niyan eh.
Di ba, pag naiipit ang UST ka, sabi niya, Micah, yung running mo. Naalala ko yan. Pagka naiipit sila nun.
Pamatay sunog, di ba?
Yun. Pwede palang yung regalo, hindi naman kailangan hampasan talaga. Pwede pang pitikin lang pala.
You just look for that open spot kasi ang bilis na dating ng regalo eh. Di ba? Madalas, lalo na yung gano'n, yung malayo yung pinanggagalingan ng bola. So, push lang yan. Pwede na. Although, ang sarap kasi paluin.
Tempting, laki ng bola eh. Double block. Huli. Tinas. C says, let's get organized. Atienza.
That's off the line. Atienza. Going wide.
Saka alam mo, kailangan matututong FEU ng mga down the line at saka alternative at saka yung short hit at saka off speed. Basa mo from a defensive standpoint, alam mong lahat sila cross-court ang palo eh.
Tsaka makikita mong bata pa kasi hampas lang na hampas. Palo lang
Palong
yung
high school, no?
Oo,
Palong
yung
high school.
kargado yung mga
Ah.
palo. Pero wala pa masyadong direksyon.
And they realize na, wow, everybody's so tall here. And why is everybody so big on the other side? Hinuli si Manzano.
Yan naman ang gusto mo yung timing. As Manzano is blocked.
.65 lamang po ang FEU.
Maris Borio blocking Manzano single-handedly. Nako. Into the net.
Ito na. Walang nagtitinginan pagka may nangyayari. May kamag-anak na ayaw dumating. Manzano will be serving. Jennifer Manzano. See?
Ang ganda nung
Well set.
pagkakaset na yon. And si Basas responded with that open hit.
At saka si Giselle has grown up a little. Hindi na siya ang gainly na nene, no? Siya na yung leader dyan, siya na yung kapitan, eh. Ang lakas. Kargado, eh.
Yup.
Ang lalakas pumalo ito.
Ang lakas. Ang papayat, very thin. But yung power. So,
Saan ang gagaling yan?
magugulat ka sa FEU laging ganyan. So, it's actually, pag inisip mo, technique siya, skill siya that you can learn. Kasi ang dami nilang ganyang players na hindi naman masyadong malalaki, pero ang lalakas pumalo.
Uy, tumaas ang bola. Buhay pa yan, actually. Biglang gumibap in front line, actually. Naitaas ni Atienza. Pero ngayon, hinto tayo para sa technical ceasefire. 8-7 ang score.
Ito ang Shakey's Billy. Vera na.